I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough?
I go shopping, want it, then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it.
Prove the past don't matter, we can start from scratch, no lie. Look how you compliment me, girl, you matching my fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's K.monae. I'm sorry I keep doing my voiceovers for like this morning voice, but I just choose to do my voiceovers early in the morning. So today I'm showing you guys how I prep my wigs after bleaching the knots, and I'm going to show you guys how I pluck my wigs. So first thing I do is I rinse the bleach off, and then I wash it with what is this thing called? Shimmer Light shampoo. So the Shimmer Light's purple shampoo just helps the lace from turning from that brassy color, so it makes it look a little bit natural when you part the hair. So I just scrub the Shimmer Lights all over the lace or whatever. Like, this wig is curly, so I'm not worried about it all getting wet, but when I do straight hair, I'm kind of a little bit more careful, but I don't care because I want to not deep condition, but I want to condition this hair anyway. So after I put the Shimmer Lights on, then I rinse it off. And then I look at the part to see if his color is where I want it to be. If not, I add some more Shimmer Light shampoo and I do it all over again. But right now it's looking pretty natural for me. So I'll go ahead to the next step, and that is conditioning the hair. Like, that part looks so natural. That's what you want. You don't want that like yellow brassy looking part. Like, the bleach make it look so brassy, and I hate that. So now I'm going to go ahead and detangle out the hair. That is curly hair, so it needs to be detangled. And plus I was just over there like scrubbing it like crazy, so of course the hair is tangled at the bottom. So we're going to detangle it, and then we're going to condition the hair. I love to condition my curly hair before I install it in my hair because it just, the smell, it makes it smell so good, and it just makes the curls look very like luscious and cute. And I want to see how these curls act because this is the first time of me using this hair. So I'm going to condition the hair, comb the hair out, and then wash it out. That's all I'm gonna do for this step. So I'm gonna just let you guys watch. The curls on this hair is what I love. Like, the curls is giving me very much life. I don't know why they call this hair jerry curl, but we're gonna get into that another time. Now it's time for me to pluck the hair. So what I do is I part the hair out in the front, and then I go ahead and pluck behind my part. So here's the thing to plucking, y'all. When you pluck, you have to make sure that you're plucking in different spaces, like not plucking in the same space twice or 3 times. So after I do that part, I go ahead and I put the hair back, and then I smooth it out, because when I pluck, I like the hair to be nice and straight back so I can like see every strand. So you'll see me pulling the front of the wig up so it could be like straight. And then there's me plucking in different spots. So you don't want to pluck. The reason why you pluck in different spots is so you don't create any bald spots. You can pluck in the same spot, but not the same time. Like you see me going all over the place, and then I'll come back to that spot. So make sure you like space the plucking out. You don't want to pluck in the same spot multiple times, because that will definitely create a bald spot. So plucking is not that hard. Everybody always say like, I cannot pluck for nothing. Like, it's really not hard. You just have to like look. Like, how would you imagine, look at your hairline and then create that same hairline on the frontal or your wig, whatever you want to do. So in the middle, the hair gets a little bit more thicker, so make sure it's like really flat, and you're plucking you're plucking all over the place in front of the hair, but you're gonna go back to that same spot more than once or twice because it's thicker in the middle. But still make sure you're spacing out your plucking. I don't know if I'm making enough sense for you guys, but I know what I'm talking about. I hope it's working, or you guys could like just look at me and watch, because explaining plucking is kind of hard. All I know is you don't want to pluck in the same spot because you'll create a bald spot. That's just the main goal that you need to think about. And make sure it's flat. Like you can see the knots and see where you want to pluck. You're plucking the knots, not the hair. People be plucking the hair and it's just like making it a mess. And you wonder why when you comb your hair is shedding and stuff like that. Pluck the knots and pluck in sections. Like, go all over the place. Don't go crazy, but go crazy. Like, go all over the place. Don't stay in the same spot. You have a whole hairline to work on, so space it out. But yeah, you just literally doing the same steps over and over again. You pluck less on the side than you'll pluck in the middle because the middle is thicker than the sides. So always part the front out first and pluck behind there, and then part the hair back, put the hair back to the back, and then pluck in the front, because it'll just create more space for a less room for bald spots. That's all you need to think about in your head. You don't want to pluck a bald spot. You don't want to pluck a bald spot. Even if you pluck a small bald spot, it may could be covered by some baby hairs or something like that, but just be careful, because I think I plucked like a little one on the side, but yeah, like right in that area where I just was at. But it was okay because my hairline kind of funny anyway. Y'all, don't be scared when it's time to pluck, because it's always room for errors and they can be fixed. Like I said, if I pluck the bald spot right there, some baby hairs can fix it. Don't be discouraged. Like, you have to start somewhere. But anyway, you can see like how the thick part looks versus my pluck part. So yeah, like, and I don't even feel like I did a whole bunch of plucking. You just like plucking all over the place. That's it. But I'm not gonna continue talking because plucking gets really repetitive, so I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video, and I'll be back towards the end when I do this little trick on the sides. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'll be back when it gets to that part. Hey boss babes, I'm back. I think I'm gonna call y'all boss babes because I want all my subscribers to be bosses. But anyway, here's the part that I was talking about. I kind of, instead of comb the hair back, I comb the hair to the side, and I go ahead and pluck lightly on the sides, and it just gives my sides a more natural hairline side look. And when the baby hairs are done on the side, it looks so good. I only recommend this part if you want baby hairs, because if you want a more natural part, you'll keep it how it is, like that already. So if you just want a natural part, don't do this step. You can leave this step alone because the hairline is already fine. I just do it because the baby hairs look more cuter on the side and look more realistic. But yeah, this is my plucking on my wig. I don't do too much, I don't do too less. I do exactly how I like it. And yeah, that is it for this plucking video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye boss babes.
Prove the past don't matter, we can start from scratch. No lie. Look how you compliment me, girl, you matching my fly.